Hi there and welcome to my channel. I hope you have enjoyed the previous videos. So we have created a web page like this. We have created a web page in which we have a menu bar, and we have also created different sections for the links. I mean, whenever I'm clicking on the home link, it is redirecting me to some another section. When I'm clicking on publication, it is redirecting me to some another section. Okay, and since the section area is beyond the limit of the page, so we do have this scroll bar that is coming automatically. We have learned how we can create the links. We have learned how we can have the menu bar on our web page, and we have also learned how we can create the sections on our web page. Okay, so in today's lesson we are going to learn how we can insert an image on our web page. So let's just do that. So this is the code behind the web page that you have just seen that we have created in our last lesson. So in order to create a menu, we have used this nav menu class, which we have referred from the style.css. We have also discussed what we have kept in this style.css file, and then we have referred a class, one particular class from that CSS file, and then we have created different links using this UL tag, that is unordered list, and inside that we have li tag, which is listed item. After that we have learned how we can create a links for word using the ahref tag, that is anchor tag. And now we are going to learn how we can insert an image on our web page. In order to insert an image, we have a tag that is known as image tag. Okay, and every image is going to have a source. See, this was the property of Visual Studio Code. We need not to type everything. We are just pressing one character and it is giving us all the related words to that particular character, right? Is equal to now, see, if you can just have a look at this side on the left side of the window, that we have a folder that is named as images. I have kept all the images that I want to have on my web page inside this particular folder. So just in order to make my work simpler, right? So whenever we are going to insert an image, we need not to give the the whole path of that image. We are just going to write dot operator. Dot operator will let us know that okay, we are on the same level. Okay, our images are going to be on the same level. After that we have a slash sign. Now see, it is giving us all the folders on the same level. So we are concerned with the images folder. Then under images it is giving us 3 images. So let's just choose this image. Okay, and now we are going to close this tag. We are going to save, and now let's just run this. When I run this, I need to refresh my page. Okay, so see, it is giving me the image. Okay, now see, if you can just have a look, my image is taking more than 60% area of my page. I don't want that. So let's just change the attribute of the image. If I'm saying attribute, I'm just going to change the height and width property of the image. So let's just do that. For that we are going to have an attribute that is width. Let's just set that width to 300 px. We need to write px. Px means pixel. Okay, and similarly we are going to give the height, that is also 300 pixels. Okay, we are going to save this, and now we are going to refresh our page. So can you see the size has been decreased? So that is my choice if I want to increase the size or decrease the size. Okay, so we can do that with the help of height and width attribute of our image tag. Now if you can just have a look at the images, I have only the images named as image 1, mehek, and work 2 image, right? So suppose if I'll type here image 5, now image 5 is not there. So when I try to look at that image on my web page, nothing is visible. Nothing is there. Okay, so now even I'm not getting the fact why image is not there. So in order to avoid that confusion, we have an attribute of the image tag that is known as alt tag. Alt stands for alternate. Inside an alternate tag, we can refer any message that we want to give if our browser is not able to find out the image that we are looking for. Okay, so we can just give a message according to our choice. We can even write a single word, whatever we want to, right? And when I run this, it is giving me that particular message. So this message will get executed. Suppose if I have given the image 1 only, my browser is able to locate that image 1, so it won't execute that alt tag. Alt tag will get executed. I mean, this is an alternate tag. If this image source is not there, then only alt will get executed. Otherwise, alt is not going to play any role. As you can see, there is no message that we have given inside that alt tag, right? So these are the attributes of our image tag. Okay, now one more thing, if you have just noticed on a web page that my image is coming at the bottom of the page, what if I want to have that in a particular section? Okay, I want to have my image inside, let's say, this home section. Like, can you see we have created different sections in the previous videos. We have home section, we have about section, we have publication. We can also create more sections for these tags, right? So what we are going to do, let's say we want to have our image in this home section. Section is defined by these lines, right? We have learned that in the previous videos. For those who don't know about how to create the sections, they can refer to my previous videos. Okay, now let's just learn how we can give this image inside that. Nothing much we are going to do. We are just going to cut this text from here and we are going to paste that inside our home div. We have created this home div now, so we are going to paste this inside our home div. We are just going to copy it, paste it, save this, and now let's just run this. When you run this code, see, your image is coming in that particular section instead of the bottom of the page. Okay, so this is all about the image section. As you so let's just have a look at the page that we are trying to design. So we have done with this part how we have created the menu bar, how we have created the links inside that. Now we have learned how we can insert an image. Now it's our choice where we want to insert the image, right? So see, in image is there also. So right now we have just inserted an image, right? We know how to insert an image. Now we are going to look at this particular section, how we can have a Twitter follow button. When I click on this button, I'll get redirected to my Twitter account. So we are going to learn this particular segment in our next lesson. So till then, enjoy the videos and take care. Bye bye.